Hey, if you're wondering where do your screenshots go when you take them, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to find them. So currently I'm on my Windows PC. Maybe you have taken your screenshot with this shortcut, that is Windows Shift plus S key on your keyboard, which is going to open up the snipping tool. Then you can take a screenshot like this and it's going to save in your screenshots folder. You could also use the snipping tool directly, so you can press on the start button and then search for snipping tool. There it is. You can open it up and do the same thing just by pressing new on here or Control plus N. So once you've done it, where is the screenshot saved? So what you have to do is press on this file folder. After that, on the left hand side, you're going to find gallery. So you can go inside it and you're going to see the screenshot that you have currently saved. Or you can also go inside pictures on the left hand side. Then you're going to find this folder that is screenshots. Then you need to go inside it. After that, you're also going to find that screenshot that you have taken over here, saved. That's it. That's how to find your screenshots that you have taken in Windows 11. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Windows related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.